I'm in the swing.
Right now you're here at the shop with the River Valley Cornhole.
We're just having some fun, trying to look for new.
What's going on?
Oh, it's going. Thanks for Cornhole.
Cornhole, where you at?
We're up against shop.
Every Thursday night, we always try to, just have a good time, beer drinking and all that stuff. But we'd also do it for a fundraiser. If you want to kind of come out and have a fundraiser, raise for a softball team, baseball team, whatever you want to do for a fundraiser, you come out here and you can contact us at all.
Hey, I'm on Facebook, you can get a hold of me. We do anything and everything. We're here to have fun. Here to play some bags, man. Bags, beers, and bourbon.
Right now, what we got going on tonight? Thursday night, line draw. That's what we do here every Thursday night.
We start at 7 for sign-ups, and then the gameplay starts at 7:30.
We're at the shop, 133 Christian Church Road. That's where you know where it is. Come on out here on the shop on Thursday night. Have a blast, because we got beer, bourbon, bags, and plus we got food.
There you go. It's a skill. Spin the bag or what?
Yes.
How do you get that down?
Well, when I first started, I used to grab them and just kind of sling them. I went and got my ass kicked, so I spent the rest of the night in 22-degree weather until I learned how to spin it.
I see.
That's all I can really tell you.
I see.